I'm going to show you how to change time zone on Windows 11. So I'm on my Windows 11 PC here, guys. Change the time zone is very easy. Just simply right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you will find settings. Click on the settings, guys, and on the left hand side you want to click on time and language, and here you will find date and time at the top here. Click on that. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now you will look and you will see the second option in the list here that says time zone. So in order to change this, just simply click the drop down. Mine is currently set to UTC +1 there, and yeah, just click the drop down and you'll find many options here. So let's say I want to change my time zone to, for example, this West Central Africa here. It's something similar, right? But it's different. Or let's say we want to change this to something a bit off. So let's see which one I might like. Let's choose Juba, for example, or Jerusalem. Select Jerusalem, and as you can see, it actually changes. And if you look as well, you can see that I now have that new time zone of +2. Right now, it also affects the time as well. So if you look on my current time, you will see on the lower right hand side that it's now showing 22:18. Right now, if I go back and switch that to my correct time zone, you will see that it actually changes now back to the +1 instead of +2. So it puts me 1 hour back, which is the correct time zone in my current country, and it's now 21:18. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.